Hey everyone, I'm Scott Sery, the founder of Know to Grow, where I teach you how you can go from having no idea how to earn money without a boss to growing that idea so that you can live a life of freedom. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about how the Know to Grow program works. You see, there are a lot of online courses out there that give you big promises and tell you something like, you'll earn $10,000 in your first month, and I teach you all the secrets, etc., and so on and so forth. But they never really get into anything other than buzzwords. They talk about systems and processes and leadership and leveraging, but by the time you get to the sign up button, you still don't have a clue what you're getting into. So I'm going to skip all that garbage. I'm just going to straight up tell you how this works. When you sign up at knowtogrow.com, you get immediate access to the first 3 lessons. These lessons walk through who you are, how you were raised, and what your mindset is. And then we discover why you believe the things that you believe. These lessons help discover why you do what you do, and they help you discover why you're awesome and why people should trust you and why you're the most badass person in history. And they also help you discover the skills and the passions. Those are the things that you need to make some money. Now, after the first 3 lessons, you have a hard choice. You can certainly use that material, apply it to your idea, and go make some mega bucks. If all you needed was a little boost to get to that awesomeness, go for it. Just, be sure to let me know so I can cheer you on along the way. But for most people, that's just the beginning. The remaining 12 lessons dive deep into those skills and passions. They pull out those money makers and figure out what you can do and how you can do it. And then in the remaining lessons, we talk about sales, client acquisition, and I give you the scripts that I've used to get people on board with what I'm doing. By the end, you have exactly what you need to land your first few clients, and if you can do it a few times, you can do it a few hundred times. So, how does Know to Grow work for you? It works by giving you the step-by-step instructions so that you have the entire foundation in place before you jump in with both feet. I jumped right in. And fortunately, I was able to make it work. But you get to jump in with 10 plus years of lessons that I learned so that you know it will work before you even hit the water. Visit www.knowtogrow.com and you can sign up for free and get on your way to living a life of freedom, making money doing the things you love, and never punch a clock again.